Have you ever wondered why some shorts get more views than the others? Stick around and we'll explore this subject. So, as you know, shorts are becoming more and more popular on YouTube. And there is a question, what title should I write? What description should I do? What text should I do? What hashtags to use, And in my own experience, I have a travel channel called Big Joe Cheap Travels, and I used to do a lot of shorts, because shorts are good to getting you more subscribers, and since I'm a small channel, of course, I want to get more subscribers. So what I noticed was when I didn't put description, hashtags, and the normal tags into the video actually did better. If I only put like a title of the video and without a description, without hashtags, and without normal text in the video, it did better. I got like 2,000, 3,000, even up to 5,000 views just after posting it, So why is that? Why is that? Everybody's telling you, put the description, put the text, describe what your video is about, put the text into the shorts. No, it's not what it's all about. So if you look at the short when you post it, let's say you post it only with the title, you write the title, whatever the short is, and then you see this spike. And in this spike, you can get up to 5,000 views on one short. And when you put like a description, more detailed description about your short, I don't know, you'll get 100 views for the same short. Why is that? I'll tell you why. So, I watched some videos about this YouTube algorithm that promotes your shorts, So, the more detailed your description is, the more YouTube algorithm will know what your short is about. And this big spike that you see when you first post the short, it spikes and then it goes flat. Why is that? Because this is when YouTube algorithm is testing a short. So it knows to which audience it should push the short. So the less you give him, the more he will test it. So that's why the less you write in the description, the more the YouTube algorithm will test your short. Thus, the more views you will get on the short, that's why. So one of my strategies is when you first post a short, you should only write like a title of the short, and in the title also add hashtag shorts. And you don't do anything like 3 hashtags or more hashtags, because then YouTube will know to which audience to push the short, and hence you will get less views on this initial algorithm search of audience to who should it be pushed, Cheap trick. So when you upload a short, I recommend you just to use the title and hashtag shorts, and then wait until this algorithm search happens. So when it spikes, you wait. It usually spikes now after 6 hours or so, but whenever it spikes, you'll see a large increase of views. So after that, wait 1, 2, 3 more days, it can spike again. So it can spike 2 times. So after the second spike, or if the second spike doesn't happen, you wait 2 or 3 days, then you optimize your short for search. So if you had before in the title only 1 hashtag shorts, now you can add 2 more hashtags that more detailed describe your short. Like, I don't know, you film your dog, let's say, so then you use hashtag shorts, another one dog, and another one, I don't know, funny animals or animals, and then you can put description down there, what happened in the video and everything. And you can use also 15 hashtags down in the descriptions, so the YouTube will have a better idea than who to push the shorts out, and it will be SEO optimized for search engines. So the people, when they search YouTube, they will be able to find your short quicker, So firstly, you use this algorithm to push out your short to get many views and many likes, whatever, you know. And then after 2 or 3 days, you optimize it for SEO. So for search engine optimization, you put the keywords in up to 15 hashtags. If you put more than 15 hashtags, YouTube can take it as spam and it will disregard whatever you wrote. So yeah, another tip, yeah. And then you also put the tags. The tags are limited to 500 characters. So I suggest you use all of these 500 characters to describe your short, because it will be more searchable and more people will be able to find it. Now, if you don't have any idea, you can use artificial intelligence, which is for free, that can generate you these tags. So this program is called ChatGPT. So you go to Google, write ChatGPT, you log in with your email, and it's for free. Then you ask ChatGPT, please write me up to 500 characters tags for my short video titled, then you put your title, and then you get a lot of these tags. You can also say, write me the most popular and trending tags on this topic, then you put your topic, and there you have it. And then you just copy paste it down into the YouTube tags or YouTube description. Also, if you have no idea what to write in the description, you ask ChatGPT, please write me a YouTube description for this and this subject. And you can even specify, make it more popular, I don't know, make it more searchable, make it more intriguing, and it will give you a suggestion. The more you specify, the better your description will be and the better the answer you will get. So, and then of course tweak it. After you get the response, tweak it. You know, you have to add some words, delete some sentences, and so on. So yeah, this was what I wanted to talk to you about shorts and YouTube and how to optimize them to get the most views, and then later on to keep continue getting views after this spike happens, or in some cases twice. The first spike happens, then it goes flat, then after a day, 2 or 3, it spikes again, but not as big as the first spike. The first spike is always the biggest, the second one it will be smaller, but then after this second spike happen, change the title, add more hashtags, add 15 hashtags in the description, add the description, and add the normal text in the description, you know. So yeah, that was it, guys. I hope I helped you a little bit with shorts and posting shorts, and now you understand more how the algorithm works, how the whole YouTube thingy with shorts works. And yeah, be sure to like this video, subscribe, share it, and comment if you have another thoughts or you have some other strategies. I'll be happy to discuss them with you, and see you in my next one. Take care, guys.